ContinuousTouch presents. Does your site need to perform an infrastructure overhaul and implement a new communication network? We can help you. Ask yourself this: are wires going everywhere with no precise indication where they plug into or where they come from? Do you have to do wire replacement due to wear and tear? Is there a lack of organization when users move around? Does your network seem slow? Maybe you are having lots of wiring issues. Our goal is to help you understand your issues, make things look better, and make the network run better. No matter how good or bad your setup looks, it's important to get a clear vision on what you have and how to utilize with the most efficiency. Our plan is not to tear everything out, but to use as much of your existing equipment and wiring, giving you a significant cost savings. Not only do we provide this service for you, but we also provide a more modern communications network to improve your business. So with that said, get out of the old way of doing business and get more out of your employees. The old phone system has limited features. For one, causing lost calls. One example of a lost call can be trying to reach someone at a different location and having to give out another phone number instead of just transferring caller to person's extension at the other site. Another example is the caller needs a sales guy who's not at his desk. The receptionist gives caller salesman's cell phone number instead of just the salesman having his calls forwarded from the desk to the cell. Many of these old ways of communicating could be leading to losing customers. ContinuousTouch is a concierge service that comes to your business and collects all the information you have from your communication network, analyzes the equipment and uses, and gives you solutions to better your employee efficiency, improve production, and offer the best customer service to make you an A-plus company. If that sounds pretty good to you, then let's get started. We will visit every site in your company and gather information to give you a picture of what you will be getting with your new phone system. Missing one part of the puzzle can be a problem, so it's our job to make sure we collect and analyze thoroughly for you. We start by doing a site survey. It includes looking at all Ethernet and phone connections at every user station, which is PCs, printers, credit card machines, fax machines, servers, and the security and fire system. Then we determine sufficient power outlets if they're available or not, and if any PoEs, which are power over Ethernet, are needed. Decide where to place the rack. Well, the rack includes the patch panel, the wire management, and space to mount equipment such as routers and switches. Is Wi-Fi access needed? If so, where? Are there external buildings that need to be connected? And what kind of paging system do you need? We will provide broadband options for your internet connectivity, and we will take pictures throughout the site. After we get all of the existing parts of your network, then we will review with you exactly what you would like to accomplish with your new communication network. Whatever you need to have done is almost a sure thing we can make happen. We will explain features to you that will help your business and that you may have never known were possible. So after this interview process, we will set up a design for your network. The design consists of: first, we will review your phone bills and extension list. We will determine the ring groups, such as: do you need an admin ring group, a sales ring group, parts ring group, or a service ring group? What type of phone does users require? Minimum use phones for break rooms and waiting rooms and texts? Or maybe phones that need Bluetooth, touchscreens, sidecards, headsets, and mobility? If it's a remote user, maybe they would like soft phones, desk phones, iPhone apps, or Android apps. Determine the connectivity from existing paging systems to a sophisticated voice communication network. And lastly, address your security and fire alarm systems, your credit card machines, and your fax machines. Here's what a diagram looks like. You will understand who your ring groups are, what extensions for each user, what phone has the paging system, and what user has what type of phone. This will be the design that builds your network inside your company. After laying out all the things you need, we will price this out for you in a proposal. The proposal will tell you exactly what you will pay for and will be in an agreement that you sign to give us your approval to start the installation. The proposal has the following. It consists of broadband availability to confirm your up speed and down speed and the cost of the service. It will also consist of product costs, which are unlimited voice services, any add-ons, configuration, hardware such as new phones, conversion adapters, routers, or switches, and the installation charges. It will give you the installation date and the training provided for your users and office. After the installation is done, you will have a clean rack displaying your equipment, and all wires will be put out of your way, displaying clean walls and outlets. You will be using the most reliable, sufficient, and cost-effective products that is going to get you an up-to-date communication network. During the process, you are welcome to ask any questions anytime. Our job is to provide you the best knowledge and service to give you a complete system. We want you to know that when the installation and training is complete, we are always available for support. So always remember, when you come to our company, you will have a complete, continuous touch communication network.